In this video, we are going to discuss about the test activity and check activity and how these functions are useful in the packet tracer. We will be discussing it in the packet tracer practically.
So when you click on activity wizard, you can see this activity wizard panel, and under that you can see test activity and check activity. So when you click on test activity, it will ask you to test the activity, and you can see the details of the test activity here, and you can see the completion is 100%, and we can check the results. So it gives the results that congratulations on completing this activity and assessment items. So you can see the feedback is correct and the network is correct. So coming to activity or connectivity test, you can see there is nothing error popped up regarding the status. So we have completed the activity in the time lapse of 30 seconds here. So this is about the test activity. So coming to the reset activity, it will ask all unsaved changes will be lost. So we click on OK. Again, it started and it got completed within a fraction of seconds here, 4 seconds. So we check the results and it gives clearly the network is correct again. So this is about the demonstration purpose, and you can see here when you come back, it will ask you to exit the test mode and return to the activity wizard. When you click on yes, then it came back. So now regarding the test activity here, see here, the same test activity has been completed here. So coming to the check activity column, so checking the activity column here, yeah, this is the column exactly. So under the activity results, again you can see the activity has been completed successfully. So this is how a network can be configured as an answer network, and it can be copied to initial network, and how we can test the activity and also check the results of the activity. This is about the testing and checking the activity details.